Okay, we have a problem here where we're asked to figure out, well, we're told anyway, that if I walk a mile in my original stride. Oh, hold on. Anyways, where were we? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna walk a mile in my original stride, and then I'm gonna lengthen my stride by 1 inch. And actually, lengthening my stride by 1 inch saves me 60 strides over the course of a mile. Because I counted how many steps I took in a mile. Anyways, we're trying to figure out the length of the original stride. Well, first of all, since we're measuring our stride in inches, and we're measuring, of course, we're talking about walking a mile, we either need to change our stride length into miles or miles into inches. Probably better to turn our mile into inches. So let's see. A mile is 5,280 feet, and there are 12 inches per foot. So let's see. 5,280 times 12 gives me 63360 inches. So let's see. Let's just pick a number for my originals. We're going to do a guess and check. So there's my original stride, my original number of strides, my new stride size, and my new number of strides, and then the difference. And we're looking for 60. All right, so let's see. Let's pick, 20 inches. So let's see, number of strides would be 63360 divided by 20, because I'm dividing this huge length into pieces of size 20. So let's see, divided by 20 gives us 3,168 strides. So my new stride would be 21. So I would have 63360 over, and by the way, 21 is 20 plus 1, right? Obviously. Divided by 20 plus 1. So let's see. 63360 divided by 21. Gives us 3017, and it's going to be looks like some in 1/7. Let's see. So our difference will be minus 3168 will be 150 and 6/7 strides, but not 60 strides. Right. So we try some new number, like I don't know, 22. So I'd have 63360 over 22. 63360 divided by 22 gives us 2,880. And our new stride length would be 22 plus 1 equals 23. So we'd have 63360 over 22 plus 1. So 63360 divided by 23 is 63360 ABC 23. No. What? Oh wow. Is it not like that? Clear. 63360 ABC 23. Oh, interesting. I've never seen the calculator do that. Well, it's approximately 2754.8. So let's see. Find the difference. 2880 gives us 125.2, approximately, for our difference. Now, course, as soon as I got this crazy decimal, I knew it wasn't going to be an even 60. But I do want to check to see whether we're headed in the right direction or not. All right, so we went from 150 to 125. So it looks like we're headed in the right direction. Our original stride is going to be something bigger. We don't need to guess something smaller than 20. Again, notice how instead of just writing my answer, I wrote out my actual calculation for everything. In fact, this last one here would have been, let's see, 63360 over 22 minus 63360 over 22 plus 1. All right? And the reason we're doing this is we want to follow our original number all the way through our calculation to see how it lands in the final calculation, and that can help us write a formula. So in place of 22, I could just substitute different numbers. All right? And ultimately, we could write an equation, right? Because we want this to equal, 60 when we're done. So you can work out through the guess and check table, keep figuring this out, and it's not a huge number, you'll find it. But the real goal is to figure out what the pattern is in that equation, to figure out how to write that equation and solve it without having to go through the guess and check process.